When using the Forever Laser Light media, we recommend using a swing-away heat press and follow these instructions. Remember to remove any Teflon cover from your press before you use it. Preheat the low platen. Always remember to print a mirrored image. Place the shirt in the middle of the plate and remove all creases from it. Place now the printed image facing down and cover the image with matte finishing economy or parchment paper. Press it between 365 and 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds and with medium pressure. Rub the media while is hot with a piece of fabric for 5 to 10 seconds or until it gets warm. Peel it when it is warm with the paper close to the shirt with a slow and fluid movement. To give a matte finish and improve the washability, press at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds and with medium pressure. When washing, use a cold wash cycle and inside out. Now your garment is ready. To improve the washability, press it again, with matte finish economy or parchment paper for 30 seconds at 356 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit and with medium pressure. When washing, use a cold wash cycle and wash it inside out. Now your garment is ready.
For additional information, please visit us at www.inkjetbiz.com. Send us an email to orders@inkjetbiz.com or call us to 1-408-394-7595. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more InkJetBiz videos.